How to cancel auto review for Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel auto renew for Skillshare. To do that, the first step is to log in into your Skillshare account, just like I've done here. And so after logging in, the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see some icons such as the sessions icon, my classes, notifications, and then your profile icon. Once you can see your profile icon, click on it. Then after clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you would see options like my classes, account settings, language, team plans, refer a friend, etc. Ensure you click on account settings, and then you would be taken to the account settings page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar, and then scroll down and click on membership and payment. For you to stop auto renew, the only solution is for you to cancel your membership. That is the only way. So once you click on membership and payment, on this page you'll see your membership. If it's annual or monthly, it would be displayed here. And then once you can see that, move to the right side and you'll see the option cancel. So once you can see that option, ensure you click on it. And after clicking on it, you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to cancel your membership. Select yes, and then just like that, your membership will be cancelled and the auto renewal of your account would also be cancelled. So it's that simple. So go ahead and cancel that auto renewal today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.